Okay, so for number 18, here I have 1x plus 2y equals 6, and I have 2x minus 3y equals 26. I think the best course would be to get rid of my x's. So I'm going to multiply this first equation by negative 2, which is going to leave me to negative 2x minus 4y equals negative 12. I am not going to do anything to the second equation. I'm just going to move it over. So I have 2x minus 3y equals 26. And then I'm simply going to add the two equations. Alright, so I'm going to eliminate the x's. Negative 2x plus 2x is 0. Negative 4y minus 3y is negative 7y. And negative 12 plus 26 is going to be positive 14. So I already got negative 7y equals 14. So I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of the variable, which is negative 7. So I got 14 over negative 7. And I have y is equal to negative 2. Alright? So let's try something interesting. This time, let's go ahead and do the same thing, but this time get rid of the y's. So again, if I have 1x plus 2y equals 6, and I have 2x minus 3y equals 26, so if I multiply the first equation by 3, and I'm going to get 3x plus 6y equals 18. And go ahead and multiply the second equation by 2. So here I'm going to get 4x minus 6y equals 52. And then add these two equations. I'm going to get 7x is equal to 70. And again, divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of the variable, which is 7. 70 over 7, which is x equals 10. So my solution then is 10 comma negative 2 with a consistent system. Okay, moving down now to number 20. On 20, here I have 3x plus 2y equals 16. 7x plus 1y equals 19. I'm going to simply multiply the second equation by negative 2 and get rid of the y's. So this becomes negative 14x minus 2y equals negative 38. Moving the first equation straight across, I have 3x plus 2y equals 16. And then adding these two equations together, I get negative 11x equals negative 22. Dividing both sides of the equation by the coefficient of the variable, which is negative 11. Divide this side by negative 11. I get x is equal to 2. Alright? Now, again, I can do the same thing. I can look at this equation, 3x plus 2y equals 16, and 7x plus 1y equals 19. And let's get rid of the x's this time. So, you know what? Let's don't do that. And the reason I say don't do that, because I think this is going to make big numbers. Let's just take one of those, 3x plus 2y equals 16, and simply substitute in 2 for x in the equation. So I have 3 times 2 plus 2y equals 16. 6 plus 2y equals 16. Okay? So at this point, I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides of the equation, the constant term on the variable side. So I wind up with 2y equals 10. Therefore, y is equal to 5. Alright, so my ordered pair is going to be 2 comma 5. And this is simply going to be a consistent system one more time. And we are done.